Meditation is very helpful to align your thoughts, your body, and your breathing. These three things need to be in alignment as much as possible. So most of the time our body is dormant, our breathing is irregular or shallow, and our thoughts are in the future or in the past. So meditation ideally makes it so all the three things, even in the Bible, the mind, body, and spirit. And spirit is breathing, your spirit is breath. So you need to align mind, body, and breath. Mind, body, and spirit. So your body needs to be doing something. Your mind needs to be focused only on the thing that your body's doing. And your breathing needs to follow. So you're looking at what you're doing, you're not thinking about anything else, you're just paying attention to what your body's doing, and your breath is following. That's the ideal meditation. Most of our life, we are, let's say, you're sitting at a desk, doing your 9-to-5 office job, so your body is not doing much, it's just stagnating, sitting, becoming stiff. Your mind is, when is lunch coming? Am I gonna go to this vacation? Do I have a meeting at 5? Is my new date gonna think good of me in 2 days? Your mind is projecting in the future, or your mind is constantly thinking about the most stupid thing you done 2 days ago, or regretting, or whatever. So your body's here, not actually even being aware of what your body's doing. Are you sitting? Do you know where your feet are? Do you know what your hips are doing? Is your spine? Are you aware of your spine? Are you aware of your ribs? Do you know where your shoulders are? Or you're like in the PC like this. And then the breathing is the most overlooked out of all these things. Your breathing is probably like you don't even know when you breathe in or when you breathe out. So meditation is the contrast to all of that. You pay attention to your breath. So pause at the inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. And now pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's called the most basic box breathing. You go 4, 4, 4, 4. Now you add movement to that. As you inhale, you raise your arms up. So inhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. And all this time, if your mind is just paying attention to your hands and your breathing, you have attained alignment. You are body, mind, and spirit is one. That's what meditation is about. That's what Qigong is about. That's what we do on Fridays. That's what I do most days for a lot of time. Like, I'm up to a point where if I don't do this consciously every moment of my day, I go back to it. Anytime I'm not conscious of my breathing, I'm not conscious of my movement and where my thoughts are, I go back to that. Any max time we do meditation? There's no max time. As long as you want. Yeah. Start by 5 minutes daily, 10 minutes daily, 15 minutes daily. Then do it every time you feel ungrounded, uncentered. Go back to it often, frequently throughout your day. The goal is to become the meditation. The goal is to become mind, body, spirit all the time. And it takes practice. Claire says, hello again. Thought I'd chill listening to you for a while as I break from my family-wise challenging day. Come chill with us. Come chill with us.